Is it time to buy or sell NVIDIA stock? In this video, we will explore NVIDIA in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 7th of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 29th of January, 2025, our system has categorized NVIDIA as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.14. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Surprisingly, the stock has outperformed our system's predictions, achieving a gain of 4.5%. This equates to an average return of 0.56% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the middle of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decline is likely. The present 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately -10.56% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -20.07% to -0.3%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it points to a potential change of 72.81% over the next 12 months, with possible returns between 57.35% and 107.45%. This suggests a price range of 203.41 to 268.17 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for NVIDIA includes the headline: NVIDIA stock price ended at $129.27 on Friday, after gaining approximately 0.459%. The NVIDIA stock price increased by approximately 0.459% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 7th of February 2025, rising from $128.68 to $129.27. It has now gained for 4 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to rise or takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.17%, ranging from a low of $127.60 to a high of $130.37. The price has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days, but remains down by approximately 9.36% for this period. The trading volume decreased on the last day by 22 million shares, with a total of 222 million shares exchanged for approximately $28.70 billion. It is important to note that declining volume on rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning about potential changes in the next few days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price of the stock was $153.13, while the lowest was $66.25. Currently, the price is approximately 15.58%, or $23.86, below the 52-week high of $153.13, which is also the all-time high for the stock. NVIDIA's stock is currently facing significant headwinds as concerns mount over the impact of DeepSeek's artificial intelligence model, which reportedly cost less than $6 million to develop. This raises questions regarding the valuation of major players in the AI sector, particularly NVIDIA, amidst a market increasingly fixated on high-budget tech projects. Recent volatility, driven by mixed headlines, highlights the cautious sentiment among investors, despite NVIDIA gaining 3.08% to close at $128.68 on February 7th. Analysts are reevaluating NVIDIA's stock price targets as it navigates these turbulent waters, with some suggesting that moments of market stagnation may present buying opportunities for long-term investors. Amidst this volatility, the tech sector remains attractive, pointing to a potential recovery as these pressures are seen as temporary. In the short term, the interplay of uncertainties surrounding new technologies and broader economic conditions could lead to further fluctuations in NVIDIA's stock price. However, those with a long-term investment horizon may find that this unpredictability ultimately supports a strong recovery, given NVIDIA's dominant position and continued innovation in the AI and semiconductor space. Analyst ratings. On Sunday, the 2nd of February, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NVDA a buy grade along with a hold action. On Monday, the 13th of January, 2025, it was reported that HSBC also assigned NVDA a buy grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 9th of January, 2025, Oppenheimer reported giving NVDA an outperform grade while maintaining a hold action. On Wednesday, the 8th of January, 2025, Citigroup again assigned NVDA a buy grade and a hold action. On Friday, the 22nd of November, 2024, Jefferies reported giving NVDA a buy grade along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned NVIDIA stock an overall neutral rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for NVIDIA. Today, the stock exhibits mixed signals. The NVIDIA stock presents a buy signal from the short-term moving average. Conversely, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Given that the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average, this generates an overall negative outlook for the stock. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $133.88. On the other hand, a decline would see the stock finding support from the short-term average at $123.26. A breakout above the long-term average would trigger an additional buy signal, the C, whereas a drop below the short-term average would reinforce the sell signal and intensify the overall negative sentiment. Additionally, there is a current sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Monday, February 3rd, 2025, and thus far, the stock has risen by 10.81%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is established. It is noteworthy that volume declined during the last trading session despite an increase in prices. This discrepancy between volume and price may serve as an early warning sign. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal from 5 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 8 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 11 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 9 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 11 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 11 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 5 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you would like to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for NVIDIA. NVIDIA finds support from accumulated volume at $128.99. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock is likely to experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is deemed high risk. In the past day, the stock fluctuated by $2.77 between its high and low points, representing a change of 2.17%. Over the past week, the stock has averaged a daily volatility of 3.46%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for NVIDIA, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio might indicate that the stock is overvalued, or it could signal that investors are anticipating significant growth in the future. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 26th of February, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates for earnings are at 84 cents per share. It's important to monitor these figures as they can have a substantial effect on stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NVIDIA. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NVIDIA is at $136.02. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, NVIDIA encounters its first support level at $128.99. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for NVIDIA from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Puri Ajay K, who bought and sold 36,606 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 93.625. Overall, insiders purchased 99,852 shares and sold 8,102,378 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment for this stock is unfavorable, and no stop loss has been established. Is NVIDIA stock a good investment? NVIDIA displays several concerning signals, and we anticipate that it will continue to perform poorly in the upcoming days or weeks. Therefore, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. Upon examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is inflated. For trading on Monday, the 10th of February, we forecast that NVIDIA will open lower by 190 cents and begin trading at $129.08. We remind you that trading comes with a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. You should not base your investment choices solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.